Hi, I'm Jacob. I'm a UX designer at a design company, and I give Miro 5 out of 5 stars. We used Milano before Miro, and it was actually quite nice to use it, but there were some problems with importing images. And then we used Draw.io as a tool for making flowcharts and UX diagrams and stuff like that. And for organizing stuff, we use Trello or similar tools. And every of these tools had something missing. So we finally stumbled upon Miro, and that brought us actually all the tools all together. And it was nice to use this. We choose Miro because it was quick. It had all the tools integrated. It had flow charts, diagrams, quick prototyping, multi-layer, so to say, or multi-user environment. We could collaborate online in real time, and it was all quite quick. And the interface was modern. The UI was very comprehensive. Everyone understood it very quickly, and we can share the projects with our clients. The first time I launched Miro, there was this screen telling me what's new, and this screen pops up actually quite a few times and quite often. It can be sort of annoying, but they are adding new features all the time, so there is always something to look for. And the features they are adding are actually very useful and considerate. They are obviously learning from some feedback. So this is pretty much one thing I love about Miro. And the onboarding, I cannot even remember, but I started using it actually instantly. It was very useful and usable, and it didn't matter whether I used it on a notebook or a laptop or a desktop computer because they switched the controls somehow automatically, whether you're using a mouse or using a touchpad. So these things happen quite automatically or instantly, and it's very easy to use. Well, anyone who is thinking about getting Miro should consider actually paying for some plan they have. They have a consultant plan, which can include only one user and is affordable. And this gives actually the user the opportunity to share the boards and create unlimited boards and share them with the clients or with coworkers. And this is actually really worth the money because in the free tier, one can create only so many, like 3 or something boards, and that can be like not annoying but limiting. So I would really consider looking at the plans. And yeah, I think that's it.